by lowering the temperature of their electric hot water heater from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, the Kellys' average electric bill dropped by 7% to $60.45. What was their electric bill before they lowered the temperature of their hot water heater? So we begin by familiarizing ourselves with the problem or the exercise, and we start by saying X is equal to the electric bill before they lowered the temperature of their electric hot water heater. And then what we want to do is notice that the bill dropped by 7%, and that means that they actually paid 93%. All right, next step in the procedure is to translate, and what we want to say is that the new bill is $60.45. We want to translate that into a mathematical statement that we can solve, and the new bill would be 93% of the old bill. So it would be 0.93 times X translates to equals, and it's $60.45. Now what we need to do is to divide both sides by the coefficient of X, or in other words, divide by 0.93. On the left-hand side, of course, it all simplifies to equal X. And so we can write X is equal to, and now on a calculator, if you divide these, you'll find that it's equal to $65. The fourth step in the process after you carry out or solve the problem is to check. Now, one way of checking would be to say, well, the bill dropped 7%. What is 7% of $65? And if you find 7% of $65, you'll find that that's equal to $4.55. Now, if we subtract the $4.55 from the $65, which is the old bill, we will in fact get $60.45, so the check tells us our answer is correct. And therefore, the old bill was $65.